format our headers. And header is a piece of content. When you select it, you can see here what kind of element it is. It is here, it is heading 2. And when you click here, you see normal text. When you click here, it is also normal text. It is a link in this kind, but it is on the meaning is in any way normal text. And so when you go down, we have here, so here we have heading 3, and here we have heading 2 again. Now we're gonna format it by ourselves. We're gonna have another style, but it is very important to keep it this function of a text heading at level 2. Well, we're gonna put all our formats away. When we select it all, we say Command A, and then we can right click and then say clear formatting. So in that way, it is formatted in the way that Google Format itself want to do. All the headings has this format, and all our colors are gone and all kind of things like that. And now we're going to format our header again, but now in the way we like it ourselves. So we select it, we give it another font, something like Lobster or anything. You can also click here for more fonts when you like to add other fonts that is not in this caveat. This, for example, is a little one, but I'll select this Lobster, and then we can also select another color. And while this is selected, we can try to do it for all the make it a little bit larger again, for all the heading too. Still selected it, and then we say update heading 2 to what we have here. So when we look now, all the headings too are formatted in this way. That's very nice. And now we can also try to do it for heading 3, and I hope it will work as well. Well, this is selected Cambria, and then at first we'll create it as an well, what shall we see? The comfort AK, and we can change our color, maybe to orange, and then we do it for all the heading 3s. And you see at this moment all the headings 3 have this form, and headings 2 had another form. So that's an element of working efficiently, and that's why this meaning of the text is very important.